Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Today we're going to do a quick leprechaun for St. Patrick's Day. This is going to be easy and fast for youngsters. So we're going to start out with a black marker. You can use a Sharpie, crayon, pencil, a pen, but we're going to do a marker today. So we're going to do a straight line across for the brim of the hat. So we'll go over, up, up. Okay? And then we're going to connect these two lines, dragging our hand, dragging our arm in one motion. Okay, we're going to go up and up for the hat. Here we go. Up one, and let's connect that. So you can see the basic hat of our leprechaun. In here we're going to do another square. And this will be for the hat buckle. Connect that. Let's connect over to this side of the hat. And we'll color this in a minute. So now let's do the face structure of our leprechaun. It's going to be a big U. We're going to start where this line comes down and connect to where this hat comes down. Okay? So here we go. Alright, it kind of looks like a pilgrim, but it's our leprechaun. So now we're going to do kind of a beard. Starting on this hat, we're going to do some squiggly, jagged marks, and this is for our big leprechaun beard. Alright, we'll color that in a minute. Now our eyes, we're just going to do some smiley eyes. They're going to be kind of squinted. So let's do 1, 2. Now these are kind of rainbow shapes, macaroni shapes. And let's do a big nose. It's going to be a U shape. Ready? Or a horseshoe. Big nose. And now a big smile. Okay, there we have our leprechaun outline. Now let's color this guy. We're going to hit fast forward now and enjoy, and happy St. Patrick's Day to you.